What's up, guys? Another video here. So today, guess what I got? I got something cool, something that I've been wanting for a while. It just, the deal came up. Shout out to Sunti from Santa Rosa Tires. He hooked it up. Let me show you how it looks. That on. So it has modified knuckles, extended rods, extended LCAs, and all the good shit. I took it to the power washer or to the car wash and kind of clean it up a little bit, but now we gotta paint them. That's the one. That's the second one, and the color I'm gonna paint them, I don't know if you guys remember my valve cover. I still have some paint left, so that's what I'm gonna use. Should have enough for like 2 coats or something. I'm gonna use the black, and instead of I don't know, you can see what it is. I'm gonna use this clear, and hopefully that works. So they should be clean already, but now I'm gonna give them a quick sand and then wipe them off again and then start painting. Okay, so all I'm using is this scuffing pad, and I'm just giving it like a light light sand down. It's not too bad, so it's gonna be, you're not gonna see it that much. So, and the only reason I'm painting it, it's just, one, so it can look nice, and then I had the paint already, so this shows like 22 bucks a can, so I still have like half, so might as well use that and then make them look good. And but yeah, a little, does good welds, but should do the job. So yeah, so I'm just gonna sand that real quick, kind of wipe it down, tape all of this stuff, that way you don't get that much paint in there. Cover this too, maybe this holes inside, that way they don't get, I don't struggle when I try to put the bolts through it. But yeah, let me keep going. Okay, they're all scuffed up. Just gonna use some all-purpose cleaner. That should be good enough, because I don't think I have enough, like a wax and grease remover or something, so it should be fine. I don't think we have a problem, but we'll find out. So yeah, so I'm gonna give it a quick wipe and then mask all of this, a little bit at least, all this chrome, maybe the rubber pieces. Maybe I want, oh, we'll see. Alright, so we got it all masked up. I'm gonna put some black like base coat, and then we'll add the paint. All right, let me just shake this for a minute or two, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so we got the first coat and last coat. Did a pretty thick coat. Only had like a little left over on the can, so I wasn't gonna use, you know, that much. I'm just using what I have. I didn't want to spend money on more paint, so looks like a scratch, but no, that's how it is. Now we'll let it dry for a few minutes and come back and shoot it with the real paint. Yeah, that's how it looks. Maybe I should hit that spot a little bit. I mean, you won't even see it, but I'm gonna try and hit this too. That one, this one right here. Alright guys, I tried to record and paint at the same time for Instagram. Had a little run, so let me show you over here. See if I can do a better job. Light coats. A little better. Finish this one first. First coat. How much it has? Should have enough just for 2 coats. Okay, so I did all the coats that I could. This is the final, not almost final product. I still have to put the clear coat. Oh fuck! Get up there. No. Anyways, so yeah, it looked pretty good. It's pretty glossy, but I'm still gonna put the clear coat. Trying to protect it. I just realized that you won't get the full color effect because, you know, it doesn't get any sunshine, but whatever. It was, you know, I had that paint already, so I didn't have to buy it. Looks super blue. Might not go with my car, but oh well. Okie dokie, so it should be pretty dry now. Let it dry for a few minutes, like an hour or so, 30 minutes, no more, almost an hour. It should be pretty dry. Now, as you guys can see, it's not that shiny. I mean, it's somewhat shiny, but I'm still gonna try to protect it with some clear coat. And yeah, let's give it a coat or 2 of clear, and then I'll show you guys the end results. Okay, I will show you the difference with the clear coat and no clear coat. This is with the clear coat. Looks pretty wet. This is with no clear coat. See? Pretty flat. Wet, flat. Okay, I'll put one more coat on this one, and then let them dry for a few minutes, and then give it a second coat, and that should be it. Last coat. This is how it looks. Nice and wet. Now we let it dry. I think it's gonna look pretty cool in the car. So just a little quick video, just to show you, you know, my new angle kit. Probably in the next video I'll show you guys how, you know, to install it, and we'll see how much angle do we get. yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, they were used obviously, but now they look pretty good. Can't wait to put them in the car, and we can mob. We can finally drift. So yeah, thanks for watching. It was just a little quick video, and then in the next video I'll show you guys, you know, everything. We can install it, and you know, all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.